Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English Version Math, Exercise 4.3. Resolve into factors. Number 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. Most of the expressions are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Let us start number 38. 2x squared minus 5xy plus 2y squared. What is the value of q? 2 into 2. So q equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Now we have to select factors of 4 so that the product is 4 and the sum is minus 5. What factors could be? The product is 4 and sum is minus 5. How about 4 into 1? So minus 4 and minus 1 equals to 2x squared minus 4xy minus 1 means minus xy plus 2y squared equals to 2x. If we take common 2x, then x minus 2y minus 1 minus y. If we take y common, then x minus 2y equals to x minus 2y into 2x minus y. So answer is x minus 2y into 2x minus y. 39. X cube minus 8 x minus y whole cube. X cube minus 8 x minus y whole cube. Can we make the order like a cube minus b cube? Can you bring the format? Yes. Now x cube minus 2 into x minus y whole cube. This is like a cube minus b cube. And to factorize a cube minus b cube, we know the formula. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equals to, now we can write according to this formula. We can apply this formula and write x is a here and b 2 into x minus y is b. So x minus 2 into x minus y, this is a minus b, into, now a square means x square plus ab plus x into 2 into x minus y, which is ab, plus b square means 2 square into x minus y whole square, second bracket. Now let us just do the simplification. X minus 2x plus 2y plus 2y, and then x squared plus 2x squared minus xy plus 4x, 4 into x square minus 2xy plus y square. Let us keep it second bracket because we need a first bracket here, so there should be a second bracket, equals to. Just to give it a good look, we won't write minus x plus 2y. Instead we will write 2y minus x into 3x squared minus xy. 3x squared minus, and this should be 2xy actually. So 2xy. So 3x squared minus 2xy plus 4x squared minus 8xy plus 4y squared equals to 2y minus x into 3x squared, and 4x squared is 7x squared, minus 2xy and minus 8xy is 10 minus 10xy, and plus 4y squared here. And this is the answer. Number 40, 10p squared plus 11pq minus 6q squared. What is the value of q here? Q or C, the constant is 10 into 6 equals to 60. So we have to find or select two factors of 60. The product should be 60 and sum should be plus 11. 15 into 4. 15 into 4 and 15 minus 4. Yes. Equals to 10 p squared plus 15 pq minus 4 pq minus 6q squared equals to, what we can take common here, 5p, 2p or plus 3q. Let's take minus sign common here, and 2q we can take common, and it should be 2p plus 3q. So what factors we get? One is 2p plus 3q and the other one 5p minus 2q. That is the answer. 2p plus 3q into 5p minus 2q. Number 41. 2 into x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. Minus 3 into x plus y. Minus 3 into x plus y. Minus 2. Minus 2. Equals to 2 into x plus y whole square. Here the q is 2 into 2. Q is 2 into 2 equals to 4. So we have to find factors of 4 so that the product is 4 and the sum is minus 3. Can we select 4 into 1? Yes. And minus 4 plus 1. So 2 into x plus y whole square minus 4 into x plus y plus 1 into x plus y. We don't need to write 1 because it doesn't make any change. You write or don't write, and minus 2. Minus 2. Now if we take common from these two, what we can take common? 2 into x plus y, and here there is another x plus y, so we can write x plus y, and there is only a minus 2 here, so minus 2, plus take 1 common, so x plus y minus 2 equals to, so you see here x plus y minus 2 is common. So if we take x plus y minus 2, so here is 2 into x plus y, 2 into x plus y plus 1 equals to x plus y minus 2 into 2x, just simplifying, 2x plus 2y plus 1, and that is the answer. X plus y minus 2 into 2x plus 2y plus 1. Number 42, ax square plus a square plus 1 x plus a. Actually, we don't need to think much about to solve this. We can just do the simplification and solve it into factors. Equals to ax square, doing the simplification, plus a square x plus a. Now if we take common from these two, the first two element, what we can take common? A. Here we get x, and here we get a, x plus a, plus 1 common, then x plus a equals to, if x plus a is a factor, and the other factor should be ax plus 1, and that is the answer. X plus a into ax plus 1. Now 43. 15x square minus 11xy minus 12y square. So what is the value of q here? Q is 15 into 12 equals to how much? 180. Now let us select two factors of 180 so that the product is 180 and the sum should be minus 11. Product should be 180, sum should be minus 11. What can be those factors? So how about 20 into 9? 20 into 9 minus 20 plus 9 should work, equals to 15 x square minus 20 xy plus 9 xy minus 12 y square equals to, what we can take common? 5x. So 3x minus 4y plus, take common 3y, then 3x minus 4y. So two factors we are getting, 3x minus 4y into 5x plus 3y. That's the answer. 3x minus 4y into 5x plus 3y. Now 44, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube equals to, we know a formula, a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We find similarity here, so let us complete the formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Up to this it's okay, it has similarity, but after this it is minus 2b cube. Can we add a minus b cube here? And then we have to just add another minus b cube. Okay, now we can write, instead of this expression, we can write a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube minus b cube. Now we know another formula for factorizing, that is a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And we can apply that formula here because we have to just resolve into factors. This is applicable for resolving into factors. So if we consider this a and this is b, then a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b minus b. This is a minus b here. And a square minus plus ab plus b square. A square means a minus b whole square. Plus ab means a minus b into b plus b square equals to a minus 2b into, if we simplify, what we get here, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus ab minus b square plus b square equals to a minus 2b into, how many a square here? 1a square. And how many ab? Minus 2ab plus ab means minus ab. How many b square? This plus and minus gone, and only 1 left, plus b square. And that is the answer. Answer is a minus 2b into a square minus ab plus b square. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. I will try to answer. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.